Today we're checking out this Mercedes Class B van. This is the 2026 Thor Tranquility 24C. All right, so starting on the outside, this Class B is built out in the Mercedes 3500 all-wheel drive. This 4x4 van will pretty much take you anywhere with these beefy tires. And yes, this Class B may be able to take you off-road with these tires, but you do have full hookups. On the back of this RV, you have, once again, the doors that open up. Got some little storage areas here, as well as easy access to all of your, looks like your hot water tank. Now, what's really nice about this RV is that you have the drop-down screen. So you can drop it down, leave these doors wide open, and you don't let the bugs in, but you can get the fresh air. On the back door here, it looks like it's a bike rack, so that's pretty nice. Take your RV off-road and then take the bikes even further off-road. All right, over on the campsite, you're gonna have an armless awning, nice running boards, really solid boards. And then stepping inside, what's crazy is that this Class B van seats 4. So that's pretty impressive. Now, it only sleeps 2, but it seats 4. So this is a great Class B van for taking it out with all of your friends, going to a destination maybe for a day. But as far as everyone sleeping in here, it's not gonna work. Let's check out the cab and then we'll check out the rest. All right, so now that we're up in the cab, it's pretty impressive. It's a Mercedes-Benz, so of course it's going to be really nice. You have your display screen, all of your controls up here, your visors that drop down, as well as some storage space up above. And whenever you're driving down the road, I don't recommend this. Well, I'd recommend it as a passenger, but you can recline your seat back and watch the TV up in the ceiling. First up, you've got 2 extra captain's chairs, which is really nice because, I mean, this is a great coach to be able to take out for the day with your friends or whatever you want to do, go to a location and carpool, tailgate, do whatever. Back here, you're going to have your kitchen with your sink. Lots of, well, these are pull-out drawers, but this right here is so you can stick a sponge in there or a cloth. Got some more pull-out drawers. Refrigerator. Had the lock on for going down the road. Then you do have your freezer. Up here is going to be your microwave. Pretty nice. A little small, but not bad. Then you're going to have this cabinet, and what's really nice is that you have USB-C and USB Type-A up here. Across the way is going to be the bathroom. And once again, the bathroom is too small for my camera guy, so mini tour. All right, so it's pretty tight in here with the door closed. You have your mini sink, a tiny little mirror, your light switches, oops. And then you have your toilet, which is a plastic one, and this is the shower. You also have your toilet paper cover so it doesn't get soaking wet. And the shower rod. Not bad. All right, bathroom is pretty tight. Let's check out the back area. So you're gonna have a couch right here, wireless phone charging on each side, cup holders, as well as a mount right here so you can slide on a table and you can have a dinette back here. You have 2 jump seats, one that you can't really use because there's a cabinet in the way, but this right here, basically all the pieces will, you know, fill the space and create one big bed back here. Although the only problem is that when you're sleeping, at least don't sleep with your head down there. That's all I have to say. But yeah. Oh, and there's a TV. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more RV tours. There's a lot to come from this RV show. So until next time, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the road.